today, there are a little over 5 million Native American people living. There are a little over 500 different tribes. Now, we met a few tribes today: Lenape, Kiowa, the Hopi, and Winnebago. When people see Native American people dancing, their first impression is, oh, that must be something very, very sacred and ceremonial. Well, that's not true. These dances we're doing for you are social dances. One day while the boy was out in the forest, he looked up into the sky and he saw that the sun was round, like a hoop. Another day he looked up and he saw that the moon was round like a hoop. And when he got back to the forest, he pulled a branch off of the tree, he bent it around and made it into a hoop.